Hello YouTube, Andrew, just doing a bit of an update on my solar air conditioning and stuff. Just got one of the classics up, so we're bringing in 1580 watts today. It's pretty hot outside. I'll get a temperature reading of the temperature gauge. We've managed to get the batteries up at 27.1. And 58.3 amps. We're bringing in from that set of solar panels. I'll just show you a couple. We'll try shed 1, and we're bringing in 1500 watts. Still the same thing. This one's 55.5. Okay, just a bit of an update. Okay, we've still got the air conditioner plugged into the plug. Nothing's hot. Air conditioner running nice and cool. Feel that. There's all my food ready for when the power and the shops aren't open. Alright, it's 25 degrees inside. See? Alright, let's go and see what it is outside. Okay, we're outside. What's that? Nearly 110 and about 44 and a half out here. So it's pretty warm, pretty sunny. Solar trackers tracking. Solar panels are cooking in the sun. No, you can't even see it. Hang on. There's how hot my front porch is. Let's see. Got the solar sign. Let's see how hot the back of the air conditioner is. Where would you hide it? It's not too badly hot. What about the wall of the house? The wall of the house is 50. The concrete. 53. Yeah, maybe we should do the solar panels on the roof as well. See if these ones are hotter. Don't know if it'll work for me. No idea. Just thought I'd show you how cool the air is coming out of the air conditioner. We'll just do a shot at the wall. 26, 27, and we'll try our PowerPoint. Let's actually, what about the cord? Cord, yeah, not getting hot. What about the plug? No. Okay. Okay, we came in for a bit more of a look. Still 52 degrees. Batteries are at 26. Still, yep. Got the e-solar sign there. The classics still seem to be coping with the hot day. Yeah, just thought I'd just show the DC amps, and there's the AC amps, and then On the second inverter, oh, on the first inverter, there's the AC amps on that one. Cool. Just drop down a little bit. Okay, it's 51 in the shed. Inverter off grid. We're using, oh, that's hot. The batteries are at 26. Using 59%. Other ones off grid. Plastics got all their fans running to keep them cool. They got little turbo fans on them. Air conditioners settled down to just over 12 amps. Yeah. Alright YouTube. There's yeah, a bit of an update on my air conditioner on a hot day. See you YouTube.